Guess who's back? 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 Come on, guess who's back? KingPachino, I'm back. I'm back. Yes, sir. What's up, everybody? Y'all already know what time it is. It's your boy, Mr. KingPachino. Let's dive in. You know I'm back with another banger, man. Listen, I've been off the scenes for a little bit because I've been busy building my other businesses, guys. But, you know, I'm back, guys. Show you a little bit of what's been going on with my drip portfolio, guys. I've taken profits along the way. However, I have continued to hydrate as well, too, along with taking profits in the down market because I just understood that it was a down market. I wanted to give it time to balance out to see when the official reset would be so far as stability, when I felt like the final numbers would break out so far as the value of drip, at least for the new cycle. And it's been sitting around 40 for a while now, 40 cents or so. And I just taken profits along the way, hydrated, followed my system, hydrate 5 or 6 days, take profits the 7th day. I've been doing that. I built up some BNB. As you can see, I got about $450 worth of BNB right now built up as well, too, that I'll be reinvesting into drip to continue to just build that to just continue to let that compound interest do what it do. But let's dive in, guys. Let's go into my browse here. Let me go to drip. Let's go check out drip right now. See where I'm at with my drip, guys. I've been so busy, guys. If you want to work from home, let me know. Have some opportunities to earn up to $22 an hour, depending on your sales experience. If you want to do sales, or if you want to do customer service, earn up to $17 an hour. That's something you're interested in, let me know. But let's go and connect this wallet. Okay, so I have another 59 drip available. Let's take a look. Let's look at some of the stats. You know, so another $24.63 can be moved over into there. So trying to work my way back up to 1,000 in there, guys. Let's go ahead and compound this or hydrate. I've been hydrating about once a week or so, lowering my my fees. But, you know, you got to find that right balance between when you want to hydrate and when you don't. But let's go ahead and pull that out. Boom. Okay, 950. So approaching 1,000 back in there, guys. And we're going to continue to do that. I'm going to be investing some of my BNB back in there as well, too, to kind of beef it up more. Claimed over 2,000 drip. My max is 8,435. Remember, your max is 100,000 drip, which is cool. So I'm building up my drip max, which is cool, guys. Now, also, we can also go here to the swap tab, which I always like to do. Check out the price of drip, 41 cents for the drip. You can always check out the chart. As you can see, the chart has been running in that 41, 42 range for a long time now. It's been in that marker, you know, so I think that's pretty cool. You see it down in 39 cents. You know, but it's been rolling between, I would probably say, 38 and 41 for a long time now. So it's been kind of sitting there, right? So that's something to look at. Oh, let me look at the supply here for you. 1.786 in supply. 1.7 million, in other words, guys. And this is a number that I always looked at as well, too, because I wanted to know originally when it got to 1 million, what would happen. So once it got to 1 million, which was the total supply, I saw that it started minting even more than 1 million, right? So once it started minting more than 1 million, I knew that the price would be going down because they're minting more, putting more into circulation. And so I wanted to sit back and watch that because, I mean, it went on a crazy minting run, man. It went from like 300,000 or 400,000, man, to like 1 million in a matter of probably weeks, you know. And so we saw, you know, the value drop dramatically as that went into the market, you know. So I just wanted to see, you know, how much would it mint and how long was it going to mint, because I just felt like as long as it's minting, you know, You could invest, but you're going to be kind of moonwalking while it's minting like that, because anytime you invest, it's probably going to be a lower price than what you initially invest. So I just wanted to kind of sit back, let everything kind of smooth out, see, let the dust settle, and then take a look from there. So this is what I'm doing now. So this is why I'm coming to you guys. Also, remember, you can go to other sites like drip.app. You can take a look as well too, see your projections as well too. If you want to see your projections, you can also see, I want to show you, oh, hold on, let me see which spot this is. Dripnetwork.ca. This is a good one to look at too, to kind of get a feel of what you feel like what is happening for the month. So 71 new people came in today, 306 people for the month. Keep in mind, today is only the 4th. So at the time of this video, so we're in 4 days into the month, we have already had 306 people come into Drip. Okay, so that's pretty powerful, guys. 163,000 players in the faucet. 993,000 total hydrations. Almost 300,000 claims, and almost, well, about 225 or 226,000 deposits. So this shows you that Drip is definitely still active. When you look at the chart, definitely the activity, they are definitely active. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to come back, make sure that I continue to hydrate. I got a lot of things on my plate, but I definitely wanted to hydrate, show you guys this. So give you some updates, guys. I have updated. I haven't checked any of my other portfolios, but I wanted to come to you, show you this, guys, and get some feedback from you guys. What have you been doing? Have you been dripping? Have you been hydrating? Have you been taking profits and claiming? What have you been doing? But I wanted to show you guys I'm still dripping. Okay, I'm still dripping, guys. Just been very busy running my businesses and doing things that I need to do. But like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top, because you're built for greatness. Hey.